Hey guys, do you ever scroll through social media and find these jaw-dropping videos that take you to a time travel journey, and for real, they get millions of views on social media? Thus, I tried an amazing strategy to make videos like this one. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can create these such beautiful videos using completely free AI tools that make you step into the time machine and visit any ancient civilization, or go to a special event, or even be a person in a very primitive tribe. So stay with me and follow this tutorial step by step. And now let's get started. And the first tip here in our today's video, just head over to ChatGPT to know what it is you wanna visit. So here you can answer this prompt. Imagine if someone goes on a time travel to the past, and for sure you can replace this past to the future, present, and so on. And what areas you can suggest to try. And for sure ChatGPT gives me a plethora of these different civilizations, like ancient civilizations, passing through Middle Ages and industrial and modern history, even for World War era. So here I just select any of these civilizations or even these ages, and then you can ask this amazing prompt. If I select the World War II, what scenery I can see while in the era as I am a soldier in the war? And for sure you can replace this person as you like. So you can play with your imagination with AI to be a king, a sultan, or even a soldier in a war, or someone else. So here, if you go through this suggestion to be a soldier in the World War II, here it gives me these events in this amazing world war. As you see, the Battle of Stalingrad, the D-Day invasion or Omaha Beach, the Pacific War, and so on and so forth. Then you can specify one of these events, like this one, for example, with asking for give you the same prompt to give you these scenes. So here, the first way here to get these prompts to create your scenes in your video, by using ChatGPT step by step to go through these beautiful prompts to create scene by scene, making your own video. On the other way, it's amazing for lazy persons. Here you can go to TikTok, where you can find millions of these videos like this one. So for sure, if you decide your content to be like this one, for example, for World War, or go into any country like India, China, Egypt, and so on, or as a heaven, hell, and so on, here you can take screenshots of this video scene by scene as for inspiration. So for example, here if I look for this one, for example, I just open this video. Then as for the first scene in our video, just you can make a screenshot of this video. So just you can, if you're using Windows like me, I just shift Windows S letter in your keyboard and take your screenshot here. Perfect, like this one. And now we can go to ChatGPT and upload this screenshot, and that's for getting the exact prompt to create this such a beautiful image with any detail. So give me, if you want to make a video similar to it, so you can click over enter here, and ChatGPT would give you an exact prompt to create these such beautiful images. And to your knowledge here, if you make the same sequence of your video like this one as a cameraman, or if you are a witness to these events, here you can insert this first stance, a first person perspective of a soldier or anything else, or a first person perspective of a king, sultan, builder, or a slave, or anything else. Okay, then I can take this prompt or the prompts from the first way to get prompts for any civilization or any event using ChatGPT. Now we can move on to the second step just you can create these amazing images for your videos. And now we can use this awesome website that is pixellumen.com. Here you can generate stunning AI images like you can do on Midjourney. And here you can insert your prompt like this one we can take from ChatGPT, for example, to test it out. Okay, paste here and click enter. And just a matter of seconds here, we can generate a beautiful image like we have seen on TikTok videos, as you observe. Amazing, similar first scene in your video like you've got here on TikTok. Okay, and for sure you can repeat this process for every single scene, as a screenshots here and get inspired of these videos on TikTok or social media, all in all. Or you can get help from ChatGPT to give you these prompts if you have different aspects to make your imagination go high and so on. So the first step here, you can get your prompts, and the second step here, you can create your scenes here using pixellumen.com. And now it's time to convert these images to videos using AI websites. And here I just suggested for you different amazing AI tools that you can use completely for free. First of all, this one that is pixverse.ai. Here you can turn these images to breathe life into them to make animated images or a video like this, as you observe. And for sure here you can upload your image that you have got from Pixellumen and insert here your prompt like moving hands, go forward, close up, and so on and so forth. But here in Pixverse, it's better for you to insert an exact and detailed prompt to get your desired result. Okay, perfect. So here you can use pixverse.ai to create your videos from your images. Or you can try klingai.com. Here you can make your videos like this one. Here you can go to image to video, upload your image and insert here your prompt if you like, then convert it to a beautiful video. Or you can try Runway ML. Here you can also convert your image to video using AI. Drop here your image and insert here your prompt you want and convert this one to a beautiful footage. Or you can try Helloy.video. That gives you a free plan here every sign in, like this one as you see. Upload your image here and it would be converted to a beautiful video from the section image to video. Or you can try this beautiful website that is QWin 2.5 Plus. It's an alternative to ChatGPT to get articles and so on. However, here you can find an amazing feature to generate high quality video as you see completely for free. And for sure I just tried it to make my last scene in my video, as you observe. And now it's time to move on to the next step. Just you can gather all these footage to make your own video. And for sure you can use any editing software like Filmora, Premiere Pro, DaVinci, or even CapCut. And yes, I hear you. You say CapCut is go paid all in its features, but here I'm gonna show you a nice trick to make and export your videos completely for free. So now you can go to CapCut and technology to make my own video regarding visiting the ancient Egyptian during the building of the Giza pyramids. I just use a ChatGPT to give me these prompts like this one. Give me in the same sequence of scenes as someone lives in that ancient time, seeing different aspects of the ancient Egyptian life, as he used a time machine to go back with the time to this age. And here it gives me a sequence of these amazing events where we can go to the construction site of Pyramids Giza. Then make these scenes as great image prompts with the same feeling of the first one, just the first perspective with someone else, so on. For sure I will leave all these prompts I used to make my video down below in the description box. And now we can go back to our drawing box using CapCut to gather all these elements to make your video, as you see. And for sure I just insert different sound effects here and music tracks regarding my video. And you can get all these sound effects either from CapCut itself, or you can go to ChatGPT, for example, and ask for the sound effects using it to make this video. regarding a specific ancient civilization or a specific situation and so on. Then ChatGPT gives you a lot of different sound effects that you can use on your video. Then you can go to pixabay.com, and therefore you can head over to this section that says sound effects and look for hundreds or even thousands of these sound effects to use in your own video completely for free with commercial license. Anyway, here in CapCut you can gather and input all these elements as you observe. Now it's time to export your video completely for free without going through subscription. Here you've got to open this one, okay, this icon to expand your video a little bit like that. And now you can activate a screen recording behind. Like you can use clipchamp.com, Canva, Rickmaster, OBS Studio, and so on as you like. Then you can take this record of this video without any watermark as you see. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.